Some countries are now experiencing a resurgence of cases as they start to reopen their economies and societies. Most people remain susceptible. The virus still has a lot of room to move. We all want this to be over. We all want to get on with our lives. But the hard reality is, this is not even close to being over. Although many countries have made some progress globally, the pandemic is actually speeding up. We're all in this together, and we're all in this for the long haul. We will need even greater stores of resilience, patience, humility, and generosity in the months ahead. We have already lost so much, but we cannot lose hope. This is a time for renewing our commitment to empowering communities, suppressing transmission, saving lives, accelerating research, and political and moral leadership. But it's also a time for all countries to renew their commitment to universal health coverage at the cornerstone of social and economic development, and to building the safer, fairer, greener, more inclusive world we all want. At the end of the day, what you do should be something that helps your people. And one thing maybe I learned the biggest lesson is, even if we belong to different political parties, the citizens of any country, you bring any country, are the same. So whether we belong to the right or left, or we're the center, what they call progressive party, what matters at the end of the day is what we do good for the people. Then if you take COVID, if you see it in doing good for our citizens, what you do is saving lives. Because even one life is important, whether it belongs to the left, to the right, or to the center. And that's why, from the start, we said, please, please, quarantine COVID politics. Please, we need national unity. Unity at the country level. Unity among political parties. Unity across ideologies. Unity across beliefs. Unity across races. Unity across any differences you can mention. Because there was a reason why we said that. This virus has two dangerous combinations, and we have said it many times. And even the international expert group that visited China, that was composed of many countries, including the US, Germany, Japan, Nigeria, Korea, Singapore, many countries actually, a very diverse, Russia, a very diverse group of international experts said this virus has two dangerous combinations. One is it's fast, it's contagious. Second, it's a killer. And it can exploit divisions between us across all the lines which I have said. And that's why WHO has been saying, please, avoid any division. Any differences could be exploited by the virus, and that we have to fight this virus in unison. And that's why what you said, I mean, our message is still the same. It's not about one country or two countries or three countries. It's not about something specific to any place. It's about how we should operate globally, whether it's at national level, subnational level, or regional level, or global level. And with 10 million cases now and 500,000 deaths, unless we address the problems we have already identified as WHO, the lack of national unity and lack of global solidarity, and the divided world, which is actually helping the virus to spread. As I said in my speech, the worst is yet to come. I'm sorry to say that, but with this kind of environment and condition, we fear the worst. And that's why we have to bring our acts together and fight this dangerous virus together.